Hello everyone, this is Sir Abdur Rehman. In this video, I'm going to give some techniques how to attempt they will past papers questions of May, June 2021, all variants from the topic sets. This is question number 5. In this question, shade in part A, shade the subset A complement intersection B intersection C. So there are two approaches. The first approach is you should know the subset of all the regions. This is the first step, first approach. And the second, first approach is you should know suppose uh, this will be A intersection, B intersection, C, but A and C are not here. This is beyond the range of A and C. So this is A complement, C complement, and similarly A intersection, B intersection, C. So B and C are, this region is beyond B and C. So B complement, C complement here. This region is also A intersection, B intersection, C. And this region is beyond the A and B. So A complement, B complement. And for this region is also A intersection, B intersection, C, but it is beyond the set C. So this set C complement. This region is also A intersection B intersection C. So this region is beyond within B and C, but beyond the set A. So beyond the set A. So A is not here. A complement means without A. This region is also A intersection B intersection C. And this region is beyond the set B here. So this is B complement here. So in this question, we have to shade the subset A complement intersection B intersection C. So this is the region here, and we have to shade this region. This is our answer here for this. Now, uh, and the second approach is by putting by putting uh, dummy numbers or random numbers. So you will find videos in the playlist for the second approach. Now part B. This was 1 mark question. In part B, universal sets are A, C, E, G, H, J, N, R, T, and Z. And the set W has rotational symmetry of order 2. So you should know the idea of rotational symmetry. But I'm going to help you here. The letters C, the letters E, A, C, E, and H, and so on. So in this case, only letters H, N, and Z. H, N, and Z has rotational symmetry of order 2. And for set X has line of symmetry. So line of symmetry, either one line of symmetry or two line of symmetry. So in this case, letter A has one line of symmetry, letter C, one line of symmetry, Letter E is has one line of symmetry, and letter H one two line of symmetry, one horizontal and one vertical, and the letter T for the set X. Now, before starting this part D, we have to list all the sets here. After listing, read question number one. This is part one. Complete the Venn diagram. So the first step is we should know the all the region. This region is this region is the common region of the set W, X, and Y. W set X and Y. So find out the common element for W, X, and Y. This is set Y. So the common elements in W, X, and Y is I think there is no common element, so leave this region blank or empty. Now, this region is this region is the common elements of W and X only. W and X. So these two sets are W and X sets here. Common elements of W and X are H. So write down the set H here. Then this is the common and the region is the common elements of set X and Y. So set X are A, C, E, H, and T, and set Y are A, N, G, E. So the common elements are in the sets A and the set E. Two elements are common in set X and set Y. This region is the common elements of the set W and Y. W and Y. So the set W has H, N, and Z, and the set Y are R, A, N, G, and E. The common elements is N, is the common elements in the set W and the set Y. So write down N here. This is the region. The technique is you have to put all the numbers from the innermost. Now, the region is W element W only. W only. So this is the Z is the element in the set W only. This region is the element X only. So there are two elements C and T for X. This region has lots of elements of Y only. So only R and G. We have to write R and G. So check it alphabets from universal set. Set A. Yes, we have put set A. Set A we did. And set C, element C, we have done this. Element E, yes, element E here, we have put this element E. Now element G, we put element G, we have put element H. Yes, we have put element H, element J, element J, element J, element J. So element J is not the element of all the sets W, X, and Y. So it will be beyond the set W, X, and Y, the element J. So write down the same font in the same font. Okay. The elements are, so elements N, yes, we have put elements N, elements R, done, elements T, yes, done, and elements Z. So this is the complete solution of part B, part 1. This was 3 marks question here. Now the second part is list the elements of X intersection and W union Y, the whole prime. So you should know what is the meaning of W union Y complement. W union Y complement. But before this W union Y, W union Y is the region. W union Y, the region is, this is W union Y. The whole region is W union Y. So green, these two circles are W union Y. And again, I'm going to draw outlines for this. This region is W union Y. So in the W union Y, Z, H, N, A, E, N, R, and J, G. So first, these are the W union Y, and W union Y complement means without the set W union Y. So W union Y complement will be without W union Y. This is W union Y, and without W union Y are C, T, and J. These are beyond the W union Y. So C, comma T, comma J. Three elements. Now the set X in the set X was set X has the elements A, C, E, H, T, A, C, E, H, T, A, C, E, H, and T. You should know the meaning of union. Meaning of union. So, what is the meaning of union? I have explained in the previous videos. Union, U for union here. All the common elements of W and U. Union, common elements, common and uncommon, sorry. Common and uncommon elements of W and U. So first select the common elements. I'm sorry. Now we had now find out X question. X intersection W union Y, the whole complement. So union, sorry, W, this is intersection here. Intersection means common elements of these two sets. So common elements of these two sets are C and T. C and T are the common elements of in the set X and W union Y complement. So the answer is C and T. Now the next part, in the next part, N of W union X union Y complement. So first you should know what is the region of this, the Venn diagram. So Suppose there's a note here. If this is W, this part is X, this part is Y. So this is W union X union Y complement. So the region outside W, X, and Y are W union X union Y complement. This is the region for W union X union Y whole complement. But you have to find n of this. N means number of elements. In this case, number of elements. So observe in the Venn diagram how many elements beyond the W, X, and Y? Only one element. J element is beyond the X and Y. So only J is the answer. And first we have to write W union X union Y whole complement is only one element J. And if examiner asking number of elements in W union X union Y whole complement, it means we have only one element. So because J is only one element, so don't forget to write same font. One is the answer final. So here, this is the note here. This was the note. Now the use set quotation complete this statement. As so, what is the symbol of this meaning? This meaning is empty set. This is, it means we can say this is the symbol of an empty set with no elements. So observe the diagram in part one. In part one, this region has no element. And what is the subset of this region? This region, the subset of this region is A. This is the common region of all the three sets. So X intersection Y intersection Z. X intersection Y intersection Z has no element here. So for no elements, we have to write set notation. The set notation is X intersection Y intersection Z. This was 1 mark question. I hope you got the idea how to attempt this question number 5 of 4024 paper 2 variant 1 May June 2021. Now move on the next paper. Next paper is 4024 paper 2 variant 2 May June and 2021 here. So this is question number 5. In this question number 5, part A, use set notation to describe the subset shaded in the Venn diagram. Simply, you have to write down the set notation of this shaded region. So you should know the region. Note there is a note here, some note. So part 1 should know if this is set B, this is set A. This region is, the shaded region is representing the set notation A union B. So, but in this question, the region beyond A union B, or we can say the region, the region without A union B. So, without A union B, we use the complement sign. So, A union B whole complement is the set notation for shaded region. Or we can say, or if you expand the bracket, the answer will be A complement intersection B complement. This was 1 mark question also. Now move on part B here. In the part B, universal set are 2, 3, 4, 4 till 12. Continue, and the set P is a factor of 36. So first write down all the factors of 36 and how to find a factor. I have already uploaded the video. See the playlist. Factor means no. So from this, which number divide 36? So 36 is divisible by 2. This is a factor. Third, and 36 is divisible by 3. 3 is also factor. 12 is 36. 36 is divisible by 4. 4 9 is 36. It is also factor. And 6 6 is 36. So 6 is also a factor. 7 8 9 9 4 is 36. 9 is also a factor. Skip 10, 11, 12, no, 12. 12 is a 36. 12 is also the factor of 36. Now, set Q. Set Q is the multiple of 4. Multiple of 4 means 4 times table, or which number is divisible by 4. So the 4 is divisible by 4 here. So 4, 8 is divisible by 4. And 12 is divisible by 4 here. So now the set R is you can say x in between 3 and 6 inclusive. X in between 3 and 6 inclusive. So from universal set, we have to write set R. Set R is 3, 4, 5, and 6. Before starting question, you should listing all the sets here first, then start to attempt part 1. Part 1 is also complete the Venn diagram. Complete the Venn diagram here. So the first step for 3 sets, the first step is we have to start from innermost region. This is the innermost region. This region is the common region of P, Q, and R. So what are the common number in the set P, Q, and R? Think about this. In the set P, Q, and R, which number is common here? So you will find 4 is the common elements. So write down 4 here. Then for this region, this is the region. This region is the common elements of P and Q. So P and Q, focus P and Q. Which element is the common element of P and Q here? Think about this. 4 is already written here, written. So only 12 is the element which is common in P and Q. Write down 12 here. This region has common elements of P and R only, and P and R. Focus P and R. Okay, 4 is already written, and next number is 3. 3 is the common. 3 is the common number, common elements in P and R, and next is 6. 6 is also 3 and 6. So write down 3 and 6. Then this region has all common elements of P and Q and R. Q and R only. So Q and R, there are no common elements of Q and R. So Q and R, four already I have written this. There are no, so leave empty space. No elements. Then don't write zero. Don't write zero. Leave empty. Now, this region is all the elements in the set P only. All the elements in the set P only. So 2, 9. 2 and 9 are the elements. This is the region, the elements set Q only. So only one element Q, which is 8. This is the region, only R, only R. 5. 5 is on 5 is the element on in the R. So only 5. But this rectangle is representing universal set. So look at the universal set here. Yes, we have. Wait a minute. Yes, two already. We did two already here. Three already here. 3, 4 already here. 5, 6, 6 already here. 7. 7 is not in the Venn diagram, so write down 7. And 7 will be beyond P, Q, and R because the set P, Q, and R, 7 is not there. Now check 8. 8 is already written. 9. 9 is already written here. 10. 10. 10 is beyond the set P, Q, and R, so 10. 11 is also beyond the set P, Q, and R. And 12 already here. So this was part 1, and this was also 3 marks. So this was a 3 marks question here. Now, second part, list the elements of P intersection Q union R complement. So you should know Q union R. Which area is Q union R? Complement. So in the diagram note, there is a note here. Q union R. This is Q union R. The region. This is the region Q union R. This is the region Q union R. The whole region is Q union R here. This is the region Q union R. So Q union R complement means beyond the Q union R. So beyond the Q union R, there are elements 2, 9, 10, 7, and 11. So Q union R complement, write down Q union R complement first, which are 2 beyond the Q set Q union R. There is a note here, which is 2, then 7, then 9, then 10, then 11. Q union R complement 2, 9, 7, 2, 7, 9, 10, and 11. Then the set P. Set P are 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12. So I'm going to write set P. Set P was 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, and 12. And we have to find for this, we have to find P intersection Q union R complement. So this is intersection means, intersection means common. How many elements? What are the elements which is common in set P and set Q union R complement? Observe this common element. Common element 2 is common here. And then 9 is common. Only two elements are common, which is 2 and 2 comma 9. So the answer is 2 comma 9. So for this is the answer in the answer space. 2 comma 9 is the final answer. Now find out n of P union Q. So first you should find P union Q. Which area is P union Q here? P union Q. The diagram. This region is the region for P union Q. This is Q. This is P. So under this region, P union Q, how many elements in the P union Q here? So first I'm going to remove this all the lining. For P union Q, this region is P union Q. And the set R in the P union Q are how many are 2, 9, 12, 4, 3, 6, and 8. So find yes, you have to find n means number of elements. Number of elements in the set. Number of elements in the set P union Q. So how many number of elements in the set P union Q here? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are 7 elements which are in the set P union Q. So the answer will be 7. Now use set notation to complete the statement. So for this, you should know some note here for this part 4. Part 4, in the part 4, for part 4, you should know some note here. So there's some note for part 4. You should know all the region, the set notation. So note down, please. This is the region of A intersection, P intersection Q intersection R, and this is beyond the Q and R. So Q and R complement. This region is P intersection Q intersection R, but this region is beyond the P and R. So P and R is beyond the P and R, outside P and R. This region is also P intersection Q intersection R, but this is also beyond the P and R, without outside the P and R here. So P and Q, sorry. Write down P and Q. Now, this is P intersection Q intersection R also, and it is beyond the Q. So put Q complement here. Now this is P intersection Q intersection R, and it is beyond P, set P. So P complement. This region is P intersection Q intersection R. This is beyond the region R. So this is R complement. And the region, this region is P intersection Q intersection R. It is a common element, common region of set P, set Q, and set R here. So, and this, what is this region? This region is P union Q union R complement. So, you should know all the regions. If you so you can give the answer for this part. Use set notation to complete the statement. And to get the solution of part B part 1. And for part B part 1, this region was the has no elements. No elements, you should know in the solution in part one, no elements. So this is the symbol of no elements here. So which region in part one? This is the P intersection Q intersection R, which has no elements. So sorry, I have removed all the numbers. So if you know the solution of part one, we have P, Q, and R, and number was 7, 10, 11 was outside. That P2 was 9. This is was 8. This is 4. This region was 4. This is 12. And this is 6 and 3. 6 and 3. This was 5. And this is the region. This region has no elements. We can say the empty set or and the and from the nodes I have written the set notation. This was the node here. Set notation of P complement intersection Q intersection R. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like this video, like and share this video with your friends. Like this video and share with your friends. Thank you very much.